Welcome back, traders. It's been a while. I've been busy with summer and enjoying the sunshine and getting out. But I wanted to make a video. It's Friday right now. It's July 18th, and I've got two options expiring. Not much has happened the last couple of weeks. I've been just kind of letting things go and haven't done much trading. Some of these, like these IWM calls that I had going, did a buy to close on these. It cost me quite a bit, but still made a little bit of money here. This vertical put credit spread on QQQ, I had to buy back. It cost me $3.20, so I'm at a little bit of loss there. Actually, this should be show me the difference here. There, minus 73. This one too. So I've got these hood shares. I've got to call out that, and that's what you're seeing now in process. Collected $860 originally on these. I got these for $96 each, or $9,600. The price of hood has gone up quite a bit. I've got this opened here, so it's gone up, really high the past week, as far as much as like 113, I think. Let's see. Let's go to the stock. It went as high as 113, so definitely gonna probably just let this go and get my 9,600 back. I got two contracts, so what's that? 9,600 times 2 is 19,200, so I'll get that back into my account probably today. I mean, I could roll this out. I could keep these shares at 9,600, and I could maybe roll this out. Probably have to go out at least a couple weeks, August 1st. And I could roll it up a little bit. It's pretty far in the money, but I could roll it up from 96 to like 98 and get $90. I could roll it up. Oh, that's 99. I could roll it up to 98 from 96 and make a little bit of appreciation. I have to buy this back for $12.80, and I would get $13.98 per contract for that, so I'd get a net $236. But my account's kind of low, and I'm not sure, I don't think a hood's going to stay up this far for that long. It's kind of popular right now, but fundamentally, I don't think it's worth much more than like 98 or so, or at least 100. So I'm going to probably just let this go and get that money back. My next contract that I've got expiring today is IWM. It's just two contracts against my leaps, and this has actually gone. Let's look at IWM here. Well, the market overall today has gone down. It went as high as for my account, above 200. I'm almost back to where things were before Trump took over. I think the highest my account has ever been has been like 205. But since then, it's gone. Just today, it's gone down to like 197, and that's good for this IWM trade because IWM was in the money. I would have had to roll this out. Today, I went as high as like 225, but that's since dropped. So this option contract, two option contracts, I collected 54 each. I could buy it back for $7.04 each, or just let it expire maybe. But even just earlier today, I would have had to probably I would have had to buy it back for like $1.38 each and roll it out. So that's good. I'll probably just let this expire and put on another trade. It's currently like 9:45 in the morning Pacific time. Market will close at 1, so just keeping an eye on this. Other stuff going on. Amazon, I've got this due to expire 7/25. It's two contracts at the 210 strike, and Amazon's jumped way up. I think this also has gone. That's up today and went down earlier. Let's look at the past week. It's gone up as high as 225, 226, almost 227. So this has got another week to go. The cost to buy this back is $15.95. There's, of course, lots of intrinsic value there. So I don't think I want to roll this out right now. Gonna let the extrinsic value drain away, and we'll discover this, or we'll discuss this next Friday and see where we are. I think Amazon's probably going to come down as well. That's my gut feeling, but you never know. Other trades are just further out. This TNA has gone up quite a bit. My cost is like, what is it, 41.80 or something. I've got a 41.83. Got a call out for $40 on this. That's due to expire in about a month, in mid-August, and it's gone up to 36.35. So letting that one sit as well. TNA, that's the same. SMCX has been making some headway as far as the price. SMCX has been making some headway as far as the price. Got 6 contracts in this because I've tried to dollar cost average down. Been kind of bag holding this. My cost is 75, roughly 74.51. And so I've got just kind of put this way out, and so I could collect some premium. But that's coming up in at 9/19, September 19th. I got a lot of time left. But I could roll this out if I wanted to right now. If I roll this up to my cost and go out to December, let's see, if I went up to 75, I could collect $3,900 for the 6 shares. That's buying back each share at $6.05 and selling a new position and expiring in December at $12.65 times 6. And so I could also, it might not go from 54 up to 75 by then, so I could actually make more if let's say if I went to like 65. I could collect $5,070. I don't really want to do that because it's been making headway. Let's track this and see where it's been the past month or so. It's gone way up from 35 all the way up as high as 58. It's dropped down a little bit. So I could keep it at my cost, 75. I could roll this out and make 36.90. I could make some appreciation and go up to like 80 and still make $3,200. And so I could make appreciation from like 75 to 80. So sitting pretty good at this, but again, it's expiring later on. So I'm going to just let this sit. I'll keep an eye on that. What else we got? This NVIDIA. I've got 2 shares. It's gone way up. I was kind of bag holding this for a while, so I put the expiration way out to 10/17 at my cost. I think it was my cost. Let's go look at my cost here. 133.46. That's because I've actually been picking up NVIDIA, so my average cost has gone up. I picked up 30 shares. I had 200 shares. That's why I got the 2 contracts. I picked up 30 more, just buying it outright at around 170, 171, because it has gone so far up recently because of China, and the U.S. is now not going to restrict NVIDIA selling to China. So you can see here on that day when it was announced, July 14th, it shot way up from 164 to 171, and it's gone up as high as 173. So I started picking up some shares right around this area, 170, 171. So I think it's a good long-term stock, and I got some FOMO because I'm probably going to have to let these go. This contract is so far in the money, I'd have to buy these back at 45.80 times 2 contracts, and I've only made 12, so I'm going to have to let this go. And that's okay. That's just how the game works. But I do like NVIDIA, and I want to just acquire the shares and probably hold some of these long term. And the last one I still got is TQQQ. Let's see, my average cost here is $85.96. So I've got a 300 shares of that. I've got 3 contracts, and it's gone up above that, so it's actually in the money. Cost to buy this back is $13.45. And this is another one where I've been bag holding. Let's go back year to date. It's bag holding, and been kind of waiting for this to go up. And I just said I was trying to do covered calls against it, and the price would go up and go above it, and then I have to buy it back. And I just said, screw it, I'm gonna have to go out, and I went out to $12.19 up to my cost, and sold a call for the 3 shares. And right now that's back up there. So on $12.19, when this expires, I'm gonna get all this money back. I'm gonna get around $26,000 back into my account to play with. And so just being patient with this one. And that's it for right now. This is just a short, quick video to catch you up on what I've been doing with my account. I'm pretty happy that the market is back up to right around where I was before, at my all-time highs. So yeah, things are looking pretty good with the market. The market's gone up, and I'm making a little bit of premium. Let's check out my account, my spreadsheet. Dividends so far, $225.30. A little bit of interest so far. And with all the results of all my trades in this column added up, it comes to $28.76 so far, mid-month of July. It's not as much as I would hope, but I'll take an extra $28.76 mid-month, and I've still got the rest of the month to go to increase this. So maybe I make $4,000 or $5,000 as far as monthly income from this. That's it. I hope you got some value out of this. If you did, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good one, traders. Bye.